What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for this episode guys, we will be doing a box break of the highly anticipated 2023-2024 NBA Hoops Wemby Year Blaster Box featuring in the cover the Thompson Twins, Amen and Azar. But before we go to the rip, let me share to you again yung mga ongoing promos and raffles ni Cards 360. First on our list is the Christmas Holiday Raffle which started last November 24. Ongoing siya everyone hanggang January 5. So all you need to do is purchase something sa ating official Shopee and Lazada stores. Leave a review with a photo or a video and then you'll be qualified to double or triple your order. So for example, nag-purchase tayo ng any boxes, Mapa Blaster man yan, Hobby, or Mega Box. On those promo duration period na sinabi ko kanina, we will be sending you another one as the grand prize, together with a complete Cards 360 Hobby accessory package which includes, of course, premium sleeves. Makakakuha din kayo ng ating premium top loaders, 35 point and 55 point team bags, and of course, magnetic holders. On top of those, magdodraw din tayo ng 5 winners of complete Cards 360 Hobby accessory package. That's 5. And then 15 winners of 2022-2023 Panini Flux NBA cards via drop pick order. By the way, if you are picked doon sa grand prize pero ang pinurchase natin is accessories or cello packs or single packs, this time around, iti-triple your order naman namin siya. So again, buy, leave a review with a photo or video, and Cards 360 will double or triple your order. One last thing, double entries tayo guys on November 30. December 12, yung ating 12/12 Shopee and Lazada sale, double entries tayo dyan. December 15, December 30, January 1, and January 5. So mark your calendars, double entries tayo on those dates. So the draw will be on January 7, 2024 via Facebook Live. So for more details, I'll be leaving the full promo mechanics and FAQs doon sa video description. Another one is yung ating Cello Pack giveaway. So we will be giving out 2 of this 2020-2021 Prism Cello Packs. That is on December 13. All you need to do guys is follow our official Shopee and Lazada stores, and we will be drawing 2 lucky winners on December 13. And I think that's it. So let's start for today's episode guys. Again, we will be ripping 2023-2024 basketball cards NBA Hoops featuring Wemby Year, of course, the Brandon Miller, Scoot Henderson, the Thompson Twins, and many more. So before we start this, again guys, if you like more content like this and if you want to be updated sa mga ongoing promo, raffle at mga product solutions, boxes ni Cards 360, please like and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. So with that, let's start ripping itong ating Blaster Box NBA Hoops. Again, available na rin to guys sa ating Lazada and Shopee stores. Yung Hobby Box, nadali lang tayo guys ng 1 week. So the Hobby Box will be available 1 week from now. So for this time, ang makukuha muna natin or yung pwede nyo munang ma-avail is itong Blaster Box. So inside this is 6 packs per box and then 15 cards per pack. So marami-rami siya guys, no? That's total of 90 cards. Let's see kung ano yung makukuha natin dito. But of course, ang habol natin is to get Wembanyama. Napa-base man yan, insert, or parallel. Alright. So, lagyan natin dito yan. So, again, 90 cards to guys. Madami-dami siya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs all in all. So, i-delete muna natin to. Okay. So, let's rip the first pack. So, for the first pack, meron tayong isang insert and isang parallel. Okay, let's start. So, we have Chris Middleton, Robert Williams, Nas Reed, Mark Williams, Tobias Harris, Darius Garland. We have Jalen Williams, Marvin Bagley, na sayang guys, no? One of the top picks pero talagang hindi na siya nakabawi, no? Kahit nasa Detroit siya right now. Malik Monk, Jackson Hayes. First rookie natin is Kobe Brown from the LA Clippers. And then Gabe Vincent. And then here you go. One of the Thompson twins, the Amen Thompson from the Houston Rockets. And then for our blue parallel, rookie ba siya? Check natin guys. Hindi siya rookie. Marcus Smart. Okay? And then for our insert, Ja Morant, Dynamos. Okay? Nice one. All right. So that's our first pack. So nasa na ba yung Thompson lagyan natin dito? Pero siyempre, sleeve muna natin since one of the top rookies siya, no? Pero based sa nakikita natin, no, mas na-hype yung kanyang brother, no, sa Detroit, si Asar, na talagang defensive monster, no, sabi nila. Okay, let's go to the second pack. So again, if you want to avail this one guys, available na to, Shopee, Lazada, and ating official website. So feel free to check them out. Mag-leave na lang din ako ng link sa video description if you want to purchase one. Feel free, check them out na lang guys. Okay? So for our second pack, so meron tayong dalawang insert ulit. First card for the second pack, Drew Holiday, Richard, Mike Conley, Kelly Oubre, and then we also have Bogdan Bogdanovic, Trey Murphy, Jalen Johnson, Luke Kennard, Lauri Markkanen, another rookie, Leonard Miller from the Minnesota Timberwolves, D'Lo from the Lakers, another rookie from the Lakers, Shafino. Pero wala siyang playing time no? Hindi siya nakakapaglaro masyado. And then we have LeBron James. Nice one. And then for another insert, from the Portland Pure Players, Dame Lillard. And then sa arriving now naman tayo, rookie ba siya? Not a rookie, but Lakers, Shifino, Jalen Hood Shifino. Okay? So, sleeves natin tong si Dame. Pero dito, nasa Portland pa siya, no? So, kanina lang, talo sila sa Giannis, talo sila ng Indiana Pacers, guys. Talagang on a row, no? Si Haliburton. Lalo siyang lumalakas. Okay, let's move on to the third pack. So moving on to the third pack. So we have two inserts again. I think parallel yung isa. Okay. So first, Rising Star, Tyrese Maxey. KCP. Another Dame Lillard. We have Bradley Beal, Phoenix Suns, Donovan Mitchell, Bones Highland. Sayang tong player na to guys, no? I think hindi siya binibigyan ng playing time. Mukhang may attitude siya. Bineben siya nung coach nila lately. Kevin Huerter, Jaden Ivey, isa din to no, na binebench ni Monty Williams. Binaba siya na naka-losing streak sila right now sa Detroit. So sayang yung potential ni Jaden Ivey. Ousmane Dieng, secondary sophomore player. Another rookie, Cam Whitmore. And then another, this is tribute, Amen Thompson. Okay, sleeves natin to. So nakakadalawang Amen na tayo guys. Moving on. Another rookie, Jalen Pickett. And then Moses Moody. Okay, moving on to the blue, Wendell Moore. And then, for the next card, for our insert, Devin Booker Skyview. Ganda siya, oh. Nice card. Pero hindi siya numbered, guys. Sleeves natin. So, moving on to the fourth pack. So, halfway pack na tayo, guys. So, again, Wemby. Magpakita ka na. Okay. Right now, talagang hype yung mga cards ni Wemby, no? Everywhere. Okay. So, for this pack, I think may nakabaliktad tayo, guys. So, baliktad ba to? Hindi. Pero we have one insert for this pack. Mitchell Robinson, Spencer Dinwiddie, Brook Lopez. There you go. Diretso sa PC, Paolo Banchero, sophomore year. Okay, sleeves agad yan. So, dito ka muna. Danny Green, Kyle Lowry, AJ Griffin. We have a Zion. Johnny Davis, rookie, Emoni Bates from the Cleveland Cavaliers. Ayan, we have a tribute, Brandon Miller. Ayan, second pick. Pero hindi siya ganun kalakas, guys. No? I'm not sure, but my personal take, hindi siya ganun kalakas. Talagang, siguro dahil sobrang galing lang talaga ni Wemby, kaya natatabunan siya. But let's see, lalo na right now, injury si LaMelo. Baka mag-shine siya dahil mas exposed siya right now. Another rookie, Noah Clowney from the Brooklyn Nets. Andrew Wiggins. Another rookie from the Atlanta Hawks, Kobe Buffkin. And for our insert, Skyview ulit. Rookie ba? No. The Aaron Fox. So yan yung sa social media, guys, no? Si Kings daw traded the wrong point guard. Pero personally, I think sakto lang naman talaga, no? Talagang magaling lang, maganda din for both teams, no? Indiana and Sacramento Kings, no? Nag-shine din naman si Sabonis, no? Sa Sacramento. So for me, it's just a fair trade. Nagkataon lang talaga na mas na-hype si Haliburton right now. But for me, it's a win-win trade for both teams, no? Okay? So moving on to the second to the last pack. Okay? So may blue tayo and may isang nakatagilid. Let's see. First, for the fifth pack is Rudy Gobert. We have LaMelo Ball na sadly na-injury siya, no, against the Magic. Hopefully makabalik agad. Defending champion, slam dunk champion, Mac McClung. Kyrie Irving. Devin Booker. D-Book. D-Rose. Fontecchio. Kung ano man ang pronunciation niyan. Mason Plumlee. Keegan Murray, sophomore year. Trey Jones. Taylor Hendricks, another rookie from the Utah Jazz. Then we have a tribute, KD. Ayan, nice one. Another rookie, Colby Jones from the Sacramento Kings. And then for our parallel, rookie ba? Hindi siya rookie. Chris Murray, no? Yung kakambal ni Keegan Murray from the Portland Trail Blazers. And for our next card is greetings, no? NBA Hoops greetings from Brooklyn, Derek Whitehead. Ayan. Okay? So far, wala pa tayong Wemby, guys. Hopefully, on this last pack, nakakuha na tayo. Let's see. So again, guys, available na to, no? Shopee, Lazada, and sa ating official website, cards360.store. As always, don't forget to subscribe, no, to our YouTube channel, guys, for more contents like this. We'll do appreciate your support. And by the way, ongoing nga din pala yung ating free NBA cards, no? Yung ating box break draw will happen sa January, guys. So I'll be linking the video sa taas. Just leave a comment yung favorite NBA team nyo, and the first card na makukuha natin, yung team ng player sa inyo, mapupunta yung card na yon. So again, just check the video sa video description, sa video link sa taas, ililink na lang namin. Okay, last pack na tayo, guys. Okay, let's see. So first, Alperen Sengun, DeMar DeRozan, Quentin Grimes, Royce O'Neal, James Wiseman, ayan, SGA, Nice one. Max Strus, Jake LaRavia from the Memphis Grizzlies, DeAndre Hunter. Next, we have Joel Embiid, reigning MVP. We have a rookie from the Orlando Magic, Jeff Howard. Ito, shooter to, no? Anak ni Juwan Howard. Next is Tribute, Dwayne Wade. Nice card. Okay, tabi natin yan. Last three cards, we have another rookie, Andre Jackson from the Milwaukee Bucks. For our parallel, Violet of Austin Reeves. Nice. Nice one. And for our last card, Derek Lively, okay, from the Dallas Mavericks. Okay. So again, available na to guys, no? Feel free to check out. I'll be linking na lang the direct link to Shopee and Lazada sa ating video description. You can get one. Ito yung mga possible cards na makuha natin, guys. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe our videos. That's all for us today. Again, thanks for watching and I appreciate all your support. That's all for us today, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Goodbye for now and thank you.